Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to resize a layer in Photoshop. So let's take a look. So in order to resize a layer in Photoshop, I am going to open an example Photoshop document. Here is an example Photoshop document. In this image we will see a text and here is the image. So example, like if I like to change this image, resize this layer, I have to choose this layer and then go on edit, and here you will see a free transform, and here we can simply resize this image whatever size we would like to set. Simply hold the mouse there and click like this, but in this case here is a mistake. You have to click the shift key to resize all the image like same size all over the image. Like if you resize without hold the shift key, the image will be like this. So you don't know exactly the proper angle of this image. So in order to resize the image or all the angle properly, simply you have to click the file, edit and free transform with shift key. So I am not going to edit now, I am just ignore this, and again I will resize this. Simply I choose the layer and then click edit, and then I will click free transform, and simply I will press the shift key and I will resize the image whatever size I would like to set. And then simply I will click on this check icon because I already finished the resizing this image. And now let me show you how to resize the text. So in order to do that, simply like here in this example document I have a resize a text document. Same way I have to choose the layer and then I have to go on edit and then simply click on free transform, and you will see the image text will be selected with the transform, and simply click the hold the shift key and resize the text whatever, just hold it and scroll it however size you would like to set this text, and simply click here this check icon and it will resize it. And I am going to share with you quick tips, like if you would like to resize any image or text, no need to go here like edit and free transform. Simply you choose the layer and in your keyboard press Ctrl and T, resize will appear, and simply hold the shift key and resize the image whatever size you would like to set. So same way if I like to resize the text, simply I will click the Ctrl T key to shortcut, and then simply I will resize it whatever size I would like to do. So I hope you really like. Now you can simply change in your Photoshop any image or text, resize the layer. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.